Alright, in this particular video what we're going to do is show you how to delete your FTalk View SE application off of a PC and also how to restore it from either a USB key or a local hard drive. First thing we're going to do is go into the program menu, cursor down to Rockwell Software, and we need to open up that administration console, same one we used to back up the project. Of course, we're going to select the network directory based on our distributed applications. And we'll go up here, do a right click on the application that we want to delete and simply select delete. Okay, that's step number 1. So I'm just going to minimize the FTalk administration console for now. And step number 2 is going to be to drill into that HMI projects folder that you have a link on your desktop of the PC and IMC, or I can lead you through there as well. So we're going to go into C drive, users, go into public documents, RSView Enterprise, of course SE, and then HMI projects. So that particular folder that we copied over before, our HMI server, okay, we're simply going to select the folder and delete it from this particular HMI projects folder. And that's it. At this particular point, the project should be wiped off of the machine itself. Now, if I want to restore a project, the first thing I need to do is copy that HMI server folder back to the HMI projects folder, as you might expect. So to do that, of course, you could navigate to the server folder that's sitting on your USB key, or if you copied it over to the PC hard drive, you could also get it from there. So I'm going to go into my Lab 2 folder where I originally backed up that folder and copy it over from there. Okay, so with my Lab 2 folder open, go into my backup. I'll copy over my HMI shortcut, or my HMI server I should say, pardon me. And we'll go ahead and paste it right into the root of the HMI projects folder for SE. Okay, so that first step is complete, and you want to make sure you do that initially. So close these two folders up, and now we're going to go back into the administration console. Alright, and from the project tree on the left, from the window on the left, we'll right click, simply hit restore, and then we're going to specify that Lab 2 folder, or of course if you have it stored, the BAK file on your USB key, you can restore it from there. So I'll go ahead and select that particular file from my Lab 2 folder now. Okay, so in my Lab 2 folder, go into my backup, and the .bak file is what I'm going to restore from. With that selected, you'll notice at the bottom you're also given the opportunity to rename the application if you would like, but of course I'll maintain my original Lab 2 file name and click Finish. Okay, so you notice the project itself is now restored in the project tree. If you've changed computers from one computer to the next, so meaning if you've taken your project, backed it up from a different PC that you're going to restore it on, there's one more step in this process. So you want to make sure you follow through with the next video that's going to be restoring a project and updating the directory information. Talk to you soon.